you guys, welcome back to another video with Naturally D. So as I promised you guys, I did a video on making these pigments with my liquid pigments that I got from TKB Trading. If you guys have not watched this video, go ahead and watch that video. It's in the cards above and it'll be in the description below, so go ahead and check that out on how I made these two beautiful colors. So in this video I am going to show you how I transform these beautiful colors into lip glosses. So let's get right into the video. So first I'm gonna do this beautiful peachy color. I'm gonna grab a bowl, put that to the side. Gonna get my Versagel. This is my Versagel. It is the 3.5 pound bag from TKB Trading. Okay, so now I am going to pour all of this pigment in here. Let me give this a little bit of a stir. Okay, I'm going to pour that all in there, along with a little bit more coconut oil. Okay, so I'm going to give this a stir. So now I'm going to add some strawberry kiwi flavoring to this gloss. Okay, so now that I got the consistency that I'm just absolutely loving, I'm going to put this one to the side and I am going to start on this hot pink. I cannot wait to see how this color, comes out. So once again, here I go with my Versagel. Okay, so now I am going to add my coloring to the Versagel. Just add all of it. Okay, you guys, so these are the two beautiful colors. I am now going to show the two swatch tested. DJ Fanta.